This is an overview of a CELINA ridge crown fitting used in frame tents. A ridge crown fitting is used in rectangle-shaped frame tents that require 2 or more ridge or top spreaders. There are 4 protrusions per fitting. Each protrusion has 2 holes to receive fasteners such as R-pins, pin and bails, or bolts. The fasteners secure the fitting to the frame tubing. When protrusion 1 and protrusion 2 of the ridge crown are set horizontally, the holes will be positioned vertically and connect to the ridge spreaders. Protrusions 3 and 4 will angle downward and attach to the rafter tubes. This is an overview of a CELINA side T fitting used in frame tents. A side T fitting is used in frame tent systems to increase the width and length of the frame. There are 4 protrusions per fitting. Each protrusion has 2 holes to receive fasteners such as R-pins, pin and bails, or bolts. The fasteners secure the fitting to the frame tubing. The angled protrusion 1 will connect to the rafter and then connect to the crown fitting or a ridge crown depending on the length and width of the frame. The horizontal protrusions 2 and 3 will connect to the spreader and then connect to the corner fitting or side T depending on the length and width of the frame. The vertical protrusion 4 will connect to the leg and terminate at the base plate. Side T and ridge crown fittings are often confused as they look nearly identical. Each has 4 protrusions, 2 in line with each other and 2 angled down. The easiest way to distinguish between the two is using the placement of the fastener holes. On the 2 inline protrusions, there will be 4 holes drilled into the tubing. Set the fitting on the ground so that it is resting on the angled protrusions and one of the inline protrusions. Looking straight down at the side T fitting, the holes will be drilled at an angle on the side of the inline protrusions. For a ridge crown, drilled holes would be on top of the inline protrusions. For more information or to order online, visit gettent.com.